Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to utilize image to video tool in Wan AI. So let's get started with the video. So once you are logged into your Wan AI account, here at the left side, you will see an option of image to video. Under video AI, click on that and post that you will here see the model selection option. That is basically the subscription. You can choose the option which subscription you're using. Here you can click or drag to replace the image. You can click on it and upload the image from your PC or laptop. And post that, make sure that you have uploaded more than 2-3 images. The first image which you have uploaded will be taken first. Post that, you need to click on generate video, and after you create on generate video, here at the right side you can see the video will get generated according to the images and the prompt that you have given. Just make note that the premium has been required to use this image to video feature. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.